students, in last class we have discussed about problems based on properties of inverse trigonometric functions. So today also we will discuss about continue that problems. Example 1, solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Solve for x or solve this equation. So write tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals pi by 4. This is form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of 2x plus 3x dividing by 1 minus 2x into 3x equals pi by 4. Tan inverse goes to right hand side, tan pi by 4, 2x plus 3x, or we can write this again, tan inverse of 2x plus 3x 5x dividing by 1 minus 2 3s are 6, x into x square is equal to pi by 4. Therefore 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan inverse goes to right hand side, tan pi by 4. Therefore 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square equals, tan pi by 4, 1. Denominator also 1. By cross multiply this equation, 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. Therefore 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. So factorize this equation. 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So now by grouping 6x square plus 6x minus common x plus 1 equal to 0. 6x square plus 6x. So 6x is common. X plus 1 minus of x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 equal to 0 or 6x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. Here x is equal to 1 by 6. Since x is not x equal to minus 1 does not satisfy the given equation, as the left hand side of the equation so becomes negative, and x equal to 1 by 6 is the only solution of the given equation. So therefore x is equal to 1 divided by 6. The value of x is 1 by 6. The next one more example, solve sine inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x equals pi by 2. Solve for x or solve this equation. Here given sine inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This equation can be written as minus 2 sine inverse x, right as it is in left hand side, equals pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 minus x. Sine inverse of 1 minus x goes to right hand side, becomes minus sine inverse of 1 minus x. So therefore minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 minus x can be written as cos inverse of 1 minus x. That is, you know, property for sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, using that property. The next, multiplying on both the sides. Multiply on both sides by cos x. Therefore cos of minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to cos of cos inverse of 1 minus x. Cos of minus 2 sine inverse x is cos of minus theta. That is also, you know, cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos of 2 sine inverse x is equal to cos of cos inverse of 1 minus x is 1 minus x. In left hand side, cos of 2 sine inverse x, this is a form of cos 2x. This is a form of this cos 2x. That is, you know, formula cos 2x 1 minus 2 sine square of sine inverse x. Cos 2x, x is sine inverse x, 1 minus 2 sine square x, that is, you know, formula cos 2x equals 1 minus x. 1 minus 2 sine of sine inverse x whole square is equal to 1 minus x. Sine of sine inverse x is x. square is equal to 1 minus x. Here 1 minus x minus 1 plus 2x square is equal to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 cancellation. Therefore 2x square minus x is equal to 0. Or x is common. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X equal to 0, comma 2x minus 1 is also 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 divided by 2. X is 0 and x is 1 divided by 2. But x equal to 1 by 2 does not satisfy the given equation. So, therefore, x is equal to 0. The value of x is 0. The next problem, solve example 3, solve tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y divided by x plus y. Solve this equation. Let tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y, that is equal to tan inverse of, that is formula, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x by y minus x minus y divided by x plus y whole divided by 1 minus x by y into x minus y divided by x plus y. It is equal to tan inverse of, LCM is in numerator y into x plus y, in numerator x into x plus y minus y into x minus y whole divided by, denominator also LCM y into x plus y, y into x plus y minus x into x minus y, that is equal to tan inverse of y into x plus y, denominator cancellation, x into x, x square plus x into y, xy minus y into x, xy, minus into minus becomes plus y square, y into y, y square, denominator y into x, xy or yx plus y square minus Here place. So plus into place x square minus x into y xy. Numerator plus xy minus xy gets cancellation. It is equal to tan inverse of x square plus y square dividing by denominator also minus xy plus xy cancellation plus x square minus x square, that is equal to tan inverse of x square plus y square, both denominator and numerator cancellation 1. You know tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Therefore, tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y divided by x plus y is equal to pi by 4. The next example, solve solve 2 tan inverse 2 tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. Tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. So let 2 tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. You know form of this 2 tan inverse x. You know formula 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x dividing by 1 minus x square. Tan inverse of 2x. 2x is cos x. 2 cos x dividing by 1 minus x square, that is cos square x, is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. Write as it is. Tan inverse both sides, tan inverse gets cancellation. 2 cos x 1 minus cos square x is sin square x is equal to 2 cosecant x. Cosecant x reciprocal 2 divided by 1, 2 by sin x. 2 gets cancellation, sin x gets cancellation. Therefore, cos x dividing by sin x is equal to what? 1. You know cos by sin, cot x. Cot x is equal to 1. Therefore, cot x is equal to cot of pi by 4. Therefore, x is equal to what? Pi by 4. The value of x is pi by 4. The next example, solve tan inverse of tan inverse of 1 minus x dividing by 1 plus x equals 1 by 2 into tan inverse x. X is greater than 0. Here also solve for x. So write given or let tan inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equals 1 by 2 into tan inverse x. By cross multiply this equation, 2 tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to tan inverse x. You know formula 2 tan inverse x. Tan inverse of 2 into 1 minus x dividing by 1 plus x. Tan inverse of 2x dividing by 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square is equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse of 2 into 1 minus x dividing by 1 plus x whole divided by 1 plus x whole square minus of 1 minus x whole square dividing by 1 plus x whole square is equal to tan inverse x. 1 plus x gets cancellation. Therefore, tan inverse of 2 into 1 minus x into 1 plus x dividing by 1 plus x whole square minus of 1 minus x whole square equals tan inverse x. So therefore tan inverse of 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into x 2x minus x into 1 into 2 minus 2x minus into plus minus 2x square dividing by 1 plus x square plus 2x minus 1 minus x square minus into minus becomes plus 2x is equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse of plus 2x minus 2x cancellation, 2 minus 2x square dividing by minus x square plus 1 minus 1 cancellation, 2x plus 2x becomes 4x equals tan inverse x. Therefore, tan inverse of 2 minus 2x square, 2 is common, 1 minus x square dividing by 4x equals tan inverse x. Tan inverse cancellation, 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 minus x square dividing by 2x equals x. Denominator is 1. By cross multiply this equation, 1 minus x square is equal to 2x square. Therefore, 2x square plus x square is equal to, minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square is equal to 1. Therefore, x square is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 1 divided by root 3. The value of x is plus or minus 1 divided by root 3. The next example, prove that tan inverse root x equals 1 divided by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x dividing by 1 plus x. That is, x belongs to closed interval 0, 1. Prove this. So here given tan inverse root x equals 1 divided by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Here left hand side is tan inverse root x. Therefore, left hand side is equal to multiplying and dividing by 2. 2 tan inverse root x. Therefore, left hand side is equal to 1 by 2. 2 tan inverse x formula, cos inverse of 1 minus root of x square dividing by 1 plus root x square. Therefore, left hand side is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x dividing by 1 plus x square and root cancellation. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, tan inverse root x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. The next one more example. Prove that tan inverse of, so square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x dividing by root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x equals pi by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 cos inverse x. So prove this. X less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. Here let x is equal to cos theta, then theta is equal to theta is cos inverse x. So therefore here left hand side tan inverse of root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x dividing by root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x. So left hand side is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x is cos theta minus root of 1 minus cos theta dividing by root of 1 plus cos theta plus root of 1 minus cos theta. Therefore left hand side is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus cos theta, that is formula 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2 dividing by again 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin square theta by 2. Therefore left hand side is equal to tan inverse of root 2 into root of cos square theta by 2 minus root 2 into root of sin square theta by 2 dividing by root 2 into root of cos square theta by 2 plus root 2 into root of sin square theta by 2. Therefore left hand side is equal to tan inverse of root 2 common. Take common root 2, square and root cancellation, root 2 is common, in bracket cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 dividing by denominator also root 2 common, in bracket cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Here numerator root 2 and denominator root 2 gets cancellation. So therefore left hand side is equal to tan inverse of cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 dividing by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Therefore left hand side is equal to tan inverse of cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 dividing by cos theta by 2 whole divided by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 dividing by cos theta by 2. Means dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2. So therefore left hand side equals tan inverse of cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 cancellation 1 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Dividing by denominator also gets cancellation 1 sin by cos tan theta by 2. Therefore left hand side is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus tan theta by 2 dividing by 1 plus tan theta by 2 can be written as tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. What is the form of this? This is the form of tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b dividing by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Here tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 is tan of pi by 4 minus tan theta by 2 dividing by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta by 2. Tan pi by 4 you know value 1. So therefore LHS is equal to pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta, that is equal to theta. Tan inverse of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 is pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Therefore left hand side is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 divided by 2. What is theta? Theta is cos inverse x. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay students, stop here. So we'll continue in next class.